Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video, we are sharing with you best app lock for Android device. So keep watching till the end and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. First, you need to go to Google Play Store for download perfect app lock. So I am opening Google Play Store and search in here perfect app lock. Click on the perfect app lock. Install this application. I have already installed it, so I am click on the open button. Enter default password 7777. Click on the go to setting screen option. Click on the perfect app lock. Then enable this option, permit use access. Okay. Now ready to our app lock application for lock any application. For example, I want to lock calculator, so I am click on the calculator and calendar. Now go to for check. You can see it's not opening, but when I am pressing password, it's opening. Now I want to change default password, so go to app lock application. Click on the setting option. Enter a new password 5858. Again enter same password 5858. Then click on the OK option. Enter your email address for password recovery. Then click on the OK button. Click on the customize password screen option. Now I want to hide this lock icon. Click on the hide status bar icon option. OK. You can also lock your incoming call, outgoing call, Wi-Fi, mobile data. Now click on the setting option. Then click on the lock option. Scroll down the page. In here you can lock incoming call, outgoing call, Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth. So I hope you enjoyed this simple video. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for more Android tutorials and thumbs up like button. Share this video with your friends who want to know who is the best app lock for Android device.